Hey everybody, we are on video number 9. Coming to the end of our time together, there is going to be a Jamboard entry at the end of this video, so please be prepared. Today we are going to look at an element of the Common Core State Standards called the Standards of Mathematical Practice. So think back to Grandma's Acrobats and the Ivan problem that we did on the first day, and think about which of the following mathematical standards we used, the Standards of Mathematical Practice. Did we engage in the type of work that helped us solve problems without giving up? Did we think about numbers in many ways? Did we try to explain our thinking and understand the thinking of others? Did we try to show our work in many ways? Did we use some tools and tell why we chose them? Perhaps you drew pictures on your paper. That's a form of tool use. You checked your work carefully and with precision. Did you use what you knew to solve the new problem? And did you try to solve problems by looking for rules and patterns? So thinking again about our number sense and reasoning routine from week 1 and week 2 and our problem solving experiences, did you enlist any of these practices? Which ones? And how did that make you feel about math? So here's another visual of the 8 mathematical practices. The first one we looked at is in kid-friendly language using an I can statement that aligns with the growth mindset model. These phrases here are specifically from the Common Core State Standards. And as teachers, we need to be very familiar with these because these run TK to 12 and should be embedded in every lesson we do. Now, some lessons will focus more on one practice than the other, but we need to be aware of making sure that they're embedded in all of our lessons. So you may use abbreviations for parents and students, but you as the educator must know and work with the primary document. So we're going to go into the Common Core State Standards using the link in Canvas, and you're going to read pages 6 or 9 or 13 to 15 of the PDF document. It just says, the page says 6, but it's actually page 13 of the document, so I don't know how they numbered it. So I want you to read the 8 mathematical practices. Okay, think about those as habits of mind of behaviors we want to grow in young people. And then go ahead and go to the Jamboard. And on one page, you're going to write a question that you have about the mathematical practices. And on the next page, you will write something that resonated with you. And so let me just get to that Jamboard and show you. Here we go. So you're going to be way over here. What did you notice about the Standards of Math Practice, also known as SMP? And the other option for you, it's not an option, it's required. What did you notice when you read the Common Core State Standards? And be sure to include your name on the post. All right, that's all for now. Thanks.